Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. Today I want to talk about a new knife. This is a fake version of it. So a while ago there was a big deal about this Walmart or Cirque trail knives. It went viral, and right now there's a new knife that get people excited, which they are made by a company called Work Sharp, that they made sharpeners, and now they're making this knife, which I took this image, I took the size from the field note size, and I 3D printing some parts, so I make this prop just to talk about it, but kind of for fun. This is gonna be launched in June in the Blade Show in Atlanta, so it's not available right now to purchase or anything, although some YouTube channels, some influencers or experts, they got a hold of some units to test it. So what's very unique, what's like a technology feature of this is that they made the handle out of a magnesium alloy, which is very unusual. There were some cases of knives that had that material in the handle, but not very common. So that's a bit of an innovation, and it's very smart because with the magnesium alloy they can do a casting that requires minimum machining afterwards, which means you can make a very precise shape, and then without so many steps or wasting material. And magnesium is very lightweight. It can be even more lightweight than aluminum, but still very strong structurally. There was some discussions about the flammability of magnesium, but that doesn't seem to be a concern, because for it to catch fire, it has to be like pure magnesium, very powder form pretty much, or such. So it's a bit of an innovation, and it has a special lock that can turn into automatic or manual. I don't know the details, not an expert, but in any case, it's very exciting that some innovations are happening for items of EDC, such as knives, and these other channels in YouTube that are more experts, like in knives, they are all very excited about these. So I wanna put some links so you can get more detailed information. These, again, to repeat, these are made by the Work Sharp company, and RMX is the name of this series. There's different like sizes and types, but they all seem to have these innovative locks and handle material. So I don't know, I thought it was a technological advancement, which in this channel I'm interested about new technologies and EDC, so it sounded like a good thing to talk about. And because I didn't have a sample, this channel is very small yet, I just made a fake one, so forgive me for cheating that way, but it was kind of a fun project. Maybe I'll put a little time lapse of how I made it. It's not really up to all the fine details. This blade is not sharp, and this cross section is completely different. The handle is much thicker in the real knife, so this was just for show, but kind of fun that you can get something similar looking made in basically a few minutes with 3D printing. Anyway, thank you for watching, and looking forward to when people start to have this available and see more reviews and such. So thank you for watching.